Another day, another COVID-19 record in the state of Missouri, and it's not just the state setting records today. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us. I'm Claire Kellett. With 1,652 new cases, Missouri has now set a record for 4 straight days. The state topped the 40,000 mark today with nearly 1,200 related deaths. And after setting a 24-hour record yesterday, St. Louis County did it again today with 375 new cases. That's 55 more cases than reported yesterday. The increase in the latest number of COVID-19 cases has a St. Louis County executive talking about putting tighter restrictions into place yet again. News 4's Ray Preston live for us in South St. Louis. Ray, with what we can expect in regards to this.
Well, while the St. Louis County executive is talking right now about putting more severe restrictions in place, I think we have a pretty good idea what some of those would be since we have been living through those. He did not go into specifics on what some of those restrictions might be coming up or if there will be any additional restrictions we're not used to. Let me give you some numbers. Dr. Sam Page says the goal was to test 1,500 people a day. Well, that number is now actually up to 2,300 with a 6% positive rate for a weekly average. Now, part of the problem health departments are dealing with is test results are sometimes significantly delayed because of their sheer volume of tests being conducted across the country, and labs are sometimes said to be overwhelmed.
We are talking about more restrictions. We're considering more restrictions. The hospital admission rate is getting close to that 40 admissions per day mark that we had set several weeks ago as the point where we would start talking about more restrictions.
Also today, Dr. Sam Page announced about $1 million will go towards social service agencies to help with the increased calls that they're getting regarding domestic violence in the midst of this pandemic. Reporting live, Ray Preston, News 4.